Do I, Stuart Cooper, a person who sold Toyotas for over 6 years, recommend a service contract, aka extended warranty, aka certified wrap if it's a certified pre-owned car? Yes, I do. Although it depends on how much the warranty is marked up and its overall cost. Some German cars have insane warranty prices. I once saw a $13,000 warranty on a $22,000 pre owned German automobile. Although you shouldn't be buying that car to begin with, but I digress. I fully support the highest level of warranty a dealership offers. Every brand, every insurance company has its own name for it. A warranty is a huge profit center for the finance department. They want to push them hard because the average car dealership marks up a warranty, I would say, about $1,600. Insane, isn't it? That's more profit than some cars have in them from invoice to MSRP. Fun fact, a warranty company says they will sell a warranty for about $1,500, let's say, to a dealer group. Then the owners put a nice little something in there for them. So that $1,500 cost goes up a few $100s. So say $1,700 to $2,000 becomes its cost after the ownership gets their cut. Then with the dealership markup, that what costs $1,500 warranty can now cost over $3,500. Whoa. In my 6.5 years of selling cars, I sold over 1,700 vehicles. Of those 1,700 plus cars, about 1,200 were financed or bought outright. And of those 1,200, we sold over 400 warranties. Can I state confidently that of those 400 plus warranties, people got their money's worth out of those warranties? No, not even a little. Absolutely not. I am sure out of the $950,000 plus dollars paid in warranty money to the dealership and those 400 plus warranties bought from cars that I sold, maybe 10 to 15% of that was paid back by the warranty company. I'm sure there's a statistic somewhere, but I can't imagine it's right. The only people who would know for sure are the dealers and the insurance companies, and I can't imagine either of them are really giving out the proper information for people to write stories about it. Of course, I am mainly speaking about the Toyota brand, although I am pretty confident that once you go to other brands that are more prone to problems, the percent of money paid back in warranty repair does go up, but so does the cost of the warranty. How the heck do I still support an extended warranty then? All it takes is for one major repair and it's potentially paid for itself. For example, what if your rear camera stops working? Now you don't have to pay the diagnosis time, 1,000, 2,000, just for them to look at it, and then potentially $4,000 total to fix your rear backup camera. I have seen that. I have had folks come to me grateful that they bought the warranty because now they're not on the hook for that massive repair. But I've also had folks turn in their cars that were several years old with warranties that never used them once. Obviously, that's what the insurance company who underwrites them hopes for. It's like any insurance. If you have it, you may not need it. But that one time it comes in handy, you are thankful you have it. What I don't like, and oh my Lanta, oh my. What I do not like is when a finance manager doesn't immediately disclose the most extended term available to purchase. What I mean, if you are on the fence, they will keep that in their pocket as a closing technique. Well, what if I can extend this 6 years of total coverage to 8 for the same price? Oh, I like that. Let's do it. I don't know why I'm doing voices. I don't normally. Meanwhile, the finance manager only gave up about $250 in profit and got the sale by extending the offer from 6 years to 8 years. What do I mean? Well, most car warranties allow you to extend the coverage until that new car is 10 years old total. But if the finance manager doesn't tell you that, you don't know. Some finance managers will go out and present to you a 6 or 7 year option instead of the 10 on the new car. You are only able to get 3 or 4 years of extra coverage because of that. Well, why do they do that? Because it's cheaper. And if they only care about their markup and that's all they care about, it's the same. So if they can close you at $2,200 instead of $2,800, you save money and you think you're getting a better deal, but the dealership is still making its markup. I personally like the stapler close. Explanation: when I was asked to sell the warranty for various reasons, I should have grabbed a stapler. I don't know where I have one. I would show the customer my stapler. This stapler is heavy, strong, well made, like your engine. Pretend this is a stapler. It's been the same stapler for a very long time. I'm not worried about anything major happening to it. Sure, a staple may get stuck in there occasionally, but it's as good as new with a quick fix, pulling the staple out. The rest of your car, the electronics, the sonars, the radars, the cameras, the sensors, and the dozens of computers working in there, that's what we worry about. Why do we get new phones every couple of years? Why do we get new electronics every so often? Because they fail or have issues. You aren't guaranteeing just the engine and the other major components as much anymore. You are now mostly covering the electronics these days. Well, that makes sense. No, if something happens, we'll just pay out of pocket, is usually what came next. How do you get the best price on a warranty if you decide you want one? You contact me first, and I'll help walk you through it and tell you what to say and what to ask to make sure you are getting a warranty at a fair price. But I can also help you with the entire car purchase. Want to do it alone and don't think you need my help? Keep asking for them to lower the price, and 60 minutes later, you may get there. Free tip: if the dealership says you have to buy the warranty to buy the car, there is a 99.9999999% chance they are lying, and that is illegal. Asterisk, not an attorney. Call me if this happens to you, please. That's it for today. Please keep an eye out because my next video is on the way. Feel free to contact me anytime to schedule a consultation if you're headed into a dealership and get some guidance. And of course, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up to date with all my dealership and insider secrets.